I own a NEC NW-452 top loader washing machine, and since moving house, I can't get it work. The machine begins a cycle, then lets out a shrill continuous beep, and the screen says low, which I think means the level is out/unbalanced. What can I do?
Hi there, Dave, and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry. Sorry for the delayed response. I will be assisting you with your question today. At any time you may ask further questions if you feel the need, even after rating. Does the fault code show as low or low, please? AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41175.39714057787.
It reads low with a continuous beep.
Hi Dave, the low fault code means that the machine thinks the lid isn't closed, even though it probably is physically. I know from my previous experience with NEC top loaders, the lid switch/spring/arm can rust away inside on the rear panel where the mechanism is installed, etc. If you look at the following diagram, you will see the lid switch, spring and out of balance arm all located on the right hand side underneath the rear cover of the top of the machine. http://spares.bigwarehouse.com.au/images/files/19556_f8663519477553eb8ff8c3c8856.pdf. Take note of parts A19, A20, A23. These are the parts I am referring to. Often the spring rusts away entirely. There are some screws on the top rear of the machine. Undo them, undo the inlet hoses and pull the cover outward and up, and then the front section will unclip, giving you access to the inside of the panel so you can investigate, etc. Another thing that can be done also is to bypass the lid switch altogether by undoing the two wires direct as if the lid switch wasn't even there, etc. This will trick the machine into thinking the lid is always closed, etc. Cheapest method of repair. Check the above and let me know how you go. Okay. Please remember to rate my assistance today. Thank you for using JustAnswer.
Mate. You bloody ripper, I've got a corroded spring, so I jammed a peg up there to activate the switch, and away we go. And no need to disconnect those wires. Thank you, and the blueprints will come in handy in the future.
Hi Dave, glad to be of assistance. You'd be surprised how many times I have come across this over the years. The same faults tend to show up in the same models, kind of like cars, I guess, lol. Please remember to rate my assistance today. Thank you for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.